Hello my gorgeous kings and queens, you are definitely welcome back to my channel. My name is Pedrolin, and if it's your first time stopping by, you are definitely welcome back to my channel. And if it's the second time coming across my channel again, of course you're definitely welcome back to my channel, because on this platform I made it for you guys. We are here to discuss about life, anything that happens all over the world. So here you are on the right platform. So in today's video guys, we are going to talk, of course, about the Dutch girl. Of course, she's from Germany. As you know, Germany is the one that colonized my country. Of course, my country, Namibia. Of course, Germany is the one that colonized my country, Namibia. I'm not trying to joke. I'm serious. I'm from Namibia. So this lady, I think, Nikkie Tutorials, your country is the one that colonized Namibia. Nikkie Tutorials, guys, she is from Germany, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. She's worldwide known on YouTube for her craft, like makeup tutorial. She's very good at that. I'm sure she does a lot of things, you know, like advertisement, traveling from different countries through sponsorship. Sometimes, you know, she's well known, as I've already said, you know. So there's an incident that just happened to her. So I have like scriptured the statement. So the statement reads out like this: Nikkie Tutorials returns to YouTube after she and her fiance were robbed at gunpoint just 1 week ago. She does not say much about the incidents as it still under investigation, but she explains that makeup has always been a form of therapy for her. Nicky goes on to thank everyone for the kindness messages she received through this difficult time. Of course, let me tell you, nowadays here on YouTube, even if you are not famous, regardless, even if you are a small YouTuber, just like myself, you know, some people are always like targeting people. I don't know, you know, what's the problem with other people. You know, you find that some other people, if they know that in life, you know, you are capable of doing it, you know, they'll try their level best. You know, it's just like, for example, right now, myself, you know, I know I'm not famous, but I know that the things that I just talk about, sometimes I talk about life, I talk about things that happens all over the world. You know, I try my level best to give like advice, even though some other people think that maybe I'm like angry, like trying to fight anybody. No, that's not me. And that's not what I'm planning to do here on my platform. On my platform, I'm trying to advise people, you know. I don't force people like to change, you know, because if you don't want to change, it's up to you. But for those ones who want to learn from others, it's up to you, you know, to do the good things in life, you know. So you have to be very careful, regardless, even if you're a small YouTuber, you know, including myself, you know, because some people, they are after other people's life, you know. You have to be very careful. It's just like, for example, right now, I live here in northern Sweden, one of the biggest city here in northern Sweden. So most of the time when I come across here on YouTube, excuse me, some people, you know, they have gone to an extent like ask me, where do you live, what's the address, something like that. You know, don't go to an extent, you know, of like giving people your address where you live or the street address where you live. You know, it's not good, because some people, they'll be stalking you. You know, once when they stalk you, you may never know what they're going to do towards you. So it's the same thing like Nikkie Tutorials. You may never know, because for me, I suspect that those people who did such kind of things towards her, they might know her, you know, because they're not happy with her success. You know, some people, you find that they don't like to see other people, you know, making it in life. They always want to see other people, you know, like being loser, you know. And then once when you're a loser, they'll criticize you again. And then once again you thrive again in life, they start again, you know, to downgrade you, like to bring you down, you know. Hatred nowadays, you know, is too much, you know. But as for me, you know, I pray that, you know, this girl, you know, they should find out those people who were targeting her, who wanted to hurt her, you know, for no reason, just because of her success, you know. Because you have to watch out next time. Nikkie Tutorials as well, you have to be very careful, you know, wherever you go, you know. Even if you go with your fiance, some people might not like you for who you are. Some people are not happy for your success. So you have to keep your eyes wide open, you know. It's the same thing like me, you know. So guys, you have to be very, very, very careful, you know, because some people, they're not good. They can pretend to laugh with you. Your friend can be your worst enemy. They can laugh with you. You can tell your friend that, oh, I'm traveling to Dubai. The very same person that you are busy giving the information about your journey, that they are the same people that are going to target you, following you behind, trying to do something that is awful towards you. So you have to be very careful which people you surround yourself with, and which people you try to tell your information. Don't share all your information. That's what I always used to tell people here on YouTube. It's not everything that you share with people, but some people, they find it as if, when you tell other people like that, they find it that, oh, she's jealous, she's bitter. It's not everything that people can become bitter about. If somebody's just like trying to give you advice, I know sometimes when we give advice, maybe sometimes to others, it might come across as being mean. It might come across as being aggressive to other people, but the fact remains that some of us, we give advice. For some of us, we are not used like a situation whereby we see some people that we look towards, because this lady, we look towards her, because she has been here on YouTube for many years. So for me, I look towards her, because I want myself, next time, so that I should be very good at makeup, my eyebrow, all those things, my lip liner, all those things, because she does that, So see you guys in my next video. So I hope you're going to take good care of yourself. Bye bye, my lovely people. Bye.